Oh yeah, we can go in here.
Oh shit. Yeah.
Did you start seeing bones? Nah, I'm the one without the flesh. That's right there. It stops. See, we can chong this motherfucker out.
I'm recording.
Bats? Do you see bats?
Oh god.
No bats. Look at that. Look
Bats
at the
isn't what I'm listening
caverns and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you ain't listening for nothing. Just, all these people, see these shoe prints? There's nothing living in here, buddy.
Okay. Okay. Shine around for a little bit.
Right, the same guy picks his head. Come on, guys. Oh, look. Up there, it looks like Jeepers Creeper hanging from the ceiling and shit. Man, people breaking them off so they take a piece home. They wilt and turn real dark, like almost black, and they like people think they can take them home, but in a few months they're dead. There was one shaped like a butterfly in somewhere, and they stole it.
Wow.
That was a long time.
I am in a cave. That's not natural bridges.
Right. Yeah, you're actually not supposed to touch it by your hand, the oil in your hand.
Yeah, that's what'll turn it black.
It just curves around right there. There's like a seat. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Look at that. That's a cool. Cool handprint. No, it's a little kid handprint. They sit right there and mess with the dirt.
Wow.
Water flows through here, so you want to be the
Right. What first one in with the flashlight, last one out with it.
Somebody's living issue. Oh, that's just a little short little hole piece. It might connect to that one. It'd make a good picture if you just set on the back. Set on it.
Right?
I'm all trying to look way back there to see.
Did Bub find a cave?
Maybe. We were just in one. What do you mean? Ha!
It's on. Jeez. So don't climb on the other stuff. Is this getting off the trail?
No. We're on the trail.
I said if.
Be good for hide and seek down here, man. If. Okie dokie.
Wait till you see this one picture of you, Charlie. It's epic.
Baby. 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 Baby.
I always ask you.
Ooh.
I'm not the one that had the camera. I just was complimenting that it was a decent picture of you.
I know, and like you said, I had a decent picture of you. What's the thing I was talking about?
The Ware Sisters Army.
Hello.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Probably doesn't. He's probably
Or is it like that?
It's like the Bat Cave. Sucks you up.
Batman.
Go up. Actually, you can look up quite a bit.
Here's one you could like stand.
We're not on the beaten path.
We're all right.
Smells good, man.
Oh, that's... Well, we want to go back the other way.